Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Navy Federal Platinum Balance Transfer. This card offers a way to consolidate high-interest debt by moving it to a new account with a promotional low annual percentage rate. It's a valuable tool for managing your finances, especially if you're looking to reduce the amount of interest you pay. We'll cover the key features and help you decide if it's the right choice for your financial goals. The Navy Federal Platinum Card stands out with a 0.99% introductory annual percentage rate on balance transfers for 12 months, a significant advantage. What's even better is that there's no balance transfer fee, which can save you a substantial amount compared to other cards that typically charge 3 to 5%. Plus, you won't pay an annual fee, making it a cost-effective option for debt consolidation. Hey everyone, if you're finding this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, if you're looking to organize your finances, perhaps you're also looking to organize your life. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your meals fresh and your fridge tidy. Find the link and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. So, is the Navy Federal Platinum Balance Transfer worth it for you? Consider if you are a Navy Federal Credit Union member, as eligibility is required. It's most beneficial if you can pay off your transferred balance within the 12-month introductory period to maximize savings. Remember, this card prioritizes debt reduction over rewards, so it's ideal if your main goal is to tackle existing balances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.